Many websites have a sitemap page. The purpose for this is twofold. First of all, so that people, if they are looking for something on your site, can go to a centralized page that lists many resources so that they can find things logically and then go to where they want to go rather than trying to dig through menus. The other option is the other reason is to have a page that search engines can find that can then index and find all the pages in your site. Now, each search engine operates differently. Google actually has a service out there called Google Sitemaps where you can define XML sitemaps. We don't include that in this theme, but there are other mechanisms for having search engines find the content in your site. But it is also really important to make sure that for every resource in your site, there is a link to it from somewhere. Just having think of it like a set of islands in the ocean. If there's an island out there way off in the distance and you don't have a bridge to it, it's really hard to know that it's even there or what's on it for that matter. You might have some idea that it's there, but if you don't know what's on it, what's the point of going there? So that's what the sitemap page is all about, is to provide links. And so we have a few items on here that we can configure, just like all the rest of the pages. You can configure your drop-down menu and contact form and the branding for this page. It is intended to be a minimized style of page, but there's some special features on it here where you choose, hey, do I want to show the sitemap, which is basically a list of your pages? Do I want to show the archives, such as different months of posts? And do I want to show recent posts? And that's when you go to the sitemap page, you're going to see that's here. Your pages are here. We call that the sitemap. The archives for November and recent posts. And so that when people go, oh yeah, I just read something, but how do I get there? Maybe they're on the home page. They go to the sitemap, boom, and then they find that there are some recent posts here, just links to them, or they want to just dig into the archives. That's what the sitemap is really all about, and that's all there is to editing the sitemap. Is just enabling the pages, the archives, and the recent posts. If you want to change the layout, we give you that option here. Again, just like all the rest of the layouts, we have locked and unlocked regions, and anything that has a locked region will usually have a configurable item on this page here in the general region. But that's all there is really to the sitemap page. Pretty straightforward.